Welcome to Compliance Cow. In our last session, we covered the platform's basic nomenclature. This time around, we'll explore assessment creation. A quick reminder for those who forgot what an assessment is. An assessment is a customizable framework of security checks or controls that can be manual or automated. Assessments can be created in three ways: using a common controls framework, importing a framework using a .csv or .yaml file, and using Compliance Cow's GenAI integration. In this video, we'll break down each method step by step. Let's get started. All assessments are sorted into categories for easy organization and access. If you don't see a relevant pre-existing category of your own, you'll want to make one. Before you begin building your assessment, you want to establish a category for your assessment to live in. Click on the assessment dropdown. Scroll to the bottom of the options and then click Add Category. Now that we've covered categories, it's time to get to the main event, assessment creation. Method 1. Using a Common Controls Framework, CCF. To build an assessment, select the category from the drop-down menu. Then click Add Assessment. After you name your assessment, you can scroll down to view our CCF options. These include our most commonly used frameworks like UCF, SCF, and open source CCF. If you decide to use a preset, simply go to the desired assessment type and click Create Assessment. All that's left to do is run the assessment. Now we're on to method 2, assessment creation via YAML and CSV files. After you select your category, name your assessment. You don't have to make a new framework from scratch. If an available CCF needs to be tweaked, you can just download it as a .csv or a .yaml file to edit. You can also choose to upload your own controls from scratch. Click the Create Assessment from File option. Then upload your file. Click Submit and you're good. Moving on to method 3, assessment creation via GenAI and PDFs. To use our GenAI tool, you'll need to have a PDF file with all your relevant info. This includes the procedure chapter, subchapter, control info, and requirement description. Make sure to include all the control info, including the ID, question, evidence, and owner. To create an assessment with AI, begin by adding an assessment under the desired category. Select Create Assessment using GenAI and make sure to name the assessment. You'll then be taken to the GenAI assessment page. Click Upload File and select your PDF file. Click Submit. The AI will pull your requirements from the PDF. You can edit, reorganize, and delete the generated controls as needed. Once you're satisfied, click Proceed. If the document contains protocols for evidence and citation collection, select Yes. Once the citations have been gathered, the AI will generate a YAML code. You can open the generated YAML code to check for discrepancies. Go ahead and edit as needed, then save the code. Once you finalize the code, download the file. If you have any edits, upload the modified YAML file. If not, you can go ahead and create assessment. Make sure to confirm the assessment name and category. Click Create Assessment again. View your assessment by navigating to Assessments, Category, Assessment Title.